All right. I hope you are doing well. Today we will start multiplying out brackets. So this is the new topic of algebra. So the first concept in this is single brackets, right? Multiplying a number with one single bracket. So let's take an example. Single brackets. Now the example is number one. If I write 4a bracket 3b minus 2c. This is the question, and let's solve this bracket. So what you need to do here, you need to multiply this 4a, which is outside of the bracket, with 3b as well as with 2c. Okay, so this is important. You need to multiply that number, which is 4a, right? It could be any number like 2, 3, or 4, or any number, but here it is 4a, so we need to multiply that 4a inside the bracket with both the numbers, which is 3b and another one is 2c. So let's multiply. So 4 times 3 is 12, 12, and a and b, so write ab there, and then this is plus times minus, which I explained you last time. Plus multiply, plus times minus is equal to minus, right? Both are different as we discussed. When both the signs are different, the answer will be minus. So therefore this is plus, that one is minus, so the answer is minus, so keep minus there. 4a, 4 times 2 is 8, and write a and c there as it is, so ac. So this is how you multiply single brackets. Let's take another example. Example 2. So I'm writing now 5 bracket 4x plus 2y. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to multiply that 5 inside the bracket. So 5 is a number which is outside, so multiply this 5 with 4x and multiply that 5 with 2y, with both of them. So 5 times 4 is 20, so 20x, and 5 times 2 is 10, so 10y. So we have solved that bracket. This is how you solve it. Now let's take another example. Example 3, and that is minus 4 bracket 3p square minus 7q square, q cube. So in this case, what we need to do, we need to multiply that minus 4, which is outside of the bracket, inside, so it will be multiplied with 3p square as well as 7q cube. By the way, there is nothing written, so it is multiplication sign there. Okay, we need to multiply them. If there is plus, then you cannot do this thing which you are learning right now. There must be multiplication, so then you can multiply that number inside the bracket. All right, so now there is minus sign. This is minus, focus here a bit. This is minus, there is plus, nothing is written, so it is plus. Okay, if nothing is written, it is plus. So let's multiply the numbers. 4 times 3 is 12, and p square will come there as it is. Now let's decide about the sign. What will come here, positive or negative? So plus times minus, minus times plus is minus. Both are different, so it will be minus. So minus 12p square. Then minus times minus, both are same, so plus, write plus there. 4 times 7, 28 and q cube. This is the answer. You can check it here. Compare with that. Minus 12 p square plus 28 q cube. So this is how you multiply single brackets.